I just want to say that I'm totally pleased with the windows from when everybody did such a good job. I learned about the Zen Windows when I was searching on the internet, and then found Dennis, who sent me a quote right away, and then spent probably an hour talking to me about the different questions and answers about the windows that he had. Then I really wanted to see what the window looked like, so Dale brought the window to my house and showed me the ins and outs of it. After I decided to go with the windows, Eddie came out and did the measuring. And then when I agreed with the quote and went with the windows, it took probably about 3 weeks to get them. Dennis scheduled a time for everyone, and they came out, and actually the way they put in the windows is better than anybody I've ever had contracted here. Their cleanup was fantastic, and the windows look great. I recommend Zen Windows to anybody, and also recommend that if you are searching windows, look at several and you'll see the difference. The Zen window is great.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.